Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install texture packs in Minecraft. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay, now go ahead and type down texture packs Minecraft. Okay, hit on enter. Now you can go ahead and download from Modrinth or CurseForge. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and use Modrinth right here. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, let's say I'm going to go ahead and choose this one and this one. Okay, so open a link in a new tab, this one as well. Let's go ahead and download both. Install with Modrinth app or select the game version right here. I'm going to go ahead and download my game version. Download. Save it on my desktop, just like so. I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other mod pack as well. Download, desktop, save. All right, and once that's done, all you got to do is just open up the Minecraft launcher. Close the browser. There you go. Open up a game. Now just go ahead over to options. Now click on resource packs. Now open pack folder. As you might remember, we have downloaded these zip files. Just go ahead and drag and drop, just like so. Close the mod pack folder. Now it's here. Okay. Now to move it, okay, to the selected one or to the selected section, just click on play. So in here, make sure that the packs that you have downloaded is the one at the top. Okay. If you're going to use a default right here at the top, well, it's going to be used by Minecraft. Okay. It's not going to work. All right. Just hit on done. Done. Open up a world. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you install texture packs in Minecraft. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.